Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer datasets from AWS S3 to Snowflake. To transfer datasets from AWS S3 to Snowflake, begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Select the correct role that has access to the necessary databases and warehouses. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to access both your AWS S3 bucket and your Snowflake environment. Next, create an external stage in Snowflake that points to your AWS S3 bucket. Use the command create stage followed by the stage name and include the S3 bucket URL. Specify the storage integration to securely access the S3 bucket. If you don't have a storage integration, create one using the create storage integration command. Configure the storage integration with your AWS IAM role or access keys. Once the external stage is set up, you can list the files in your S3 bucket. Use the command list at your _stage_name to verify that the files are accessible. Next, prepare your Snowflake table where you will load the data. Create the table using the create table command with the appropriate schema. Now, load the data from the S3 bucket into your Snowflake table. Execute the copy into command followed by the target table name and the external stage. Specify the format of your data, such as CSV or JSON, in the command options. Run the command and monitor the progress for any errors. After the transfer is complete, verify that the data has been successfully loaded into your Snowflake table. You can do this by running a simple select query on the target table. Lastly, make sure to clean up any resources, such as unnecessary stages or temporary tables, to optimize your environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.